Alright, bike check. To start off with, I have ODI long neck grips with lizard skin donut thingies and S&M Perfect 10 bars. My stems, Shadow Tack front load. My frames, United SE1 21-inch frame. I have stock United forks with the stock front wheel and a duo stunner tire tan wall. Stock United seat. I have a chrome KMC chain with a white Shadow crank and bone sprocket, stock cranks, and demolition plastic pedals. My back wheel is the duo stunner tire on a G Sport roll cage rim with Primo spokes laced to a Madeira V2 left-hand drive hub. And here's a hub sound. That's my bike check.